Alright, let's have a look at tweaking Windows 7. This will be just a little bit longer than the Windows XP because there are a couple more features we need to pay attention to. Just like Windows XP, I'm first going to go to the control panel. I'm going to start with the firewall. I want to turn Windows Firewall on or off, so click on that link. And it looks like it's already turned off, so that's good. Say OK. Go back to the control panel. Look at Windows Update. Let's have a look at that. It's not on right now. Let me see. Looks like it's not anywhere right now, so I'm going to make sure. I'm going to tell it never check for updates. Let's say OK. Set to never check for updates. Go back to control panel. Now let's check out the power settings. Looks like I've already got it set for high performance. That's probably a good place because usually when it's set for performance things don't go to sleep as much. But let's just check that out and make sure. Looks like it is turning off the display. Let's make that not happen. And it's set to never go to sleep. So that's good. Save changes. Go back to the control panel. Actually, I'm going to right click back here and go to personalize. Just make sure I don't have a screensaver turned on. Okay, that is set to none. If it weren't, I could turn it off here. Close that out. And user account control. This is a tricky one. I don't actually know where to find it in here, but I know you have to go to the control panel. And then the way I always find it is I click up here in the search box and I type UAC for user account control. And it pops up here. So change user account control settings. That's what I want to do. I have this turned all the way off. Sometimes you might notice on your corporate computer that IT has this all locked out. They like to do their own thing with it. For your virtual machine that you have your programming software on, I would just recommend turn it all the way off and say OK. How about network priority? Where are our networks? Network and sharing center. Change adapter settings. Now this is kind of tricky, right? We don't have that file, edit, whatever else menus up here. The way we have to get to that is by pushing Alt, and then it appears. And then I do the same thing. I go to Advanced and Advanced Settings. And again, it looks like I've already got these in the right order. Activations network should be the highest priority, followed by programming network. And if you had anything connected to Wi-Fi or anything else, you always want that below, because it'll make for more reliable communications with your industrial equipment. Now here's another difference from Windows XP to Windows 7. See this IPv6 here? I've already got it turned off, but you might see it on in yours. Make sure these are both unchecked. Say OK. And then another place you can see that IPv6 is if you right click on your network adapter and go to Properties. You notice it's got IPv4 and IPv6 in here. And I need to turn that off. I'll say OK. Then I'll check out the activations network, properties, turn IPv6 off there as well. Alright, Windows 7's looking pretty good now. I think we will be rock solid for programming.